Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So, this is gonna be my very first video on YouTube. In this video, I'm gonna show you my PC that I recently built. It's nothing too special, not too fancy or expensive. All the parts that I've used for this PC are either used or were bought on very discounted prices. Because I'm not using the latest hardware, although the hardware is like a year old or so, but it's still very capable. I will list all the parts in the description below. I am also going to play some games just so you guys know how this PC performs. Please watch the video until the end, and if you find this video useful, I will really appreciate a like or a sub. And also let me know which game you want me to play. As you guys can see, here are my settings. So with these settings, I'm aiming for close to 100 FPS, maybe 120 sometimes. So yeah, if you want to copy these, you will probably get very similar FPS to me. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the general walk around and probably pick a fight and see where the FPS goes.
Thank you. They're shooting right now. Because they suck. Especially me, I'm like the best target. I have no defense.
think by now you probably got a general idea how much FPS I get. Next game we're gonna test Valorant. Let's see how much FPS we get in that game. So here are the settings for Valorant. These are my custom settings. Let me know if you guys want a detailed video on like each of the settings. So yeah, if you wanna aim for like close to 200 FPS with the same hardware, you might as well copy these settings.
Match found.
Reloading. Reloading.
Careful here.
No charges.
I'll handle this. Careful here. Enemy spotted mid. Careful here.
Kill this guy.
Spike planted. Healing you.
You will not kill my allies!
Careful.
One enemy remaining.
Time to jump. Ah.
Playtime's over. Stand by for deployment to the war zone. Secure cash by completing contracts, looting or eliminating targets. Mark a drop point for your team. You'll lead them in. Enemy dropping into the AO.
I think that's it, guys. I hope you guys found this video a little bit informative, and also let me know if you want me to test any other games on my setup, and I would really appreciate if you guys leave a like and hopefully subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.